Chapter 3: The Food We Eat. Learning Objective. Farmers in India. Factors favorable for cultivation. Government help farmers. Food habits. Changing food habits. Food storage. Let me answer. Can you name 3 energy-giving foods? Farmers in India. We have different farmers in India who have their own ways of farming. 1. Small farmers. Farmers which have a small plot of land are called small farmers. They need to borrow money from moneylenders to purchase things like agricultural implements, seed, fertilizers and pesticides. They are able to grow just enough to feed their family. They are also called subsistence farmers. They are dependent on the rain to water their crops. 2. Commercial farmers. Commercial farmers own a large plot of land. They grow crops for sale in the market. They use modern machines, irrigation facilities, fertilizers and pesticides. 3. Dairy farmers. The farmers who rear cows, buffaloes and sell milk and milk products are called dairy farmers. Teacher's note: the food that farmers grow is the real food that we get. Explain to the students the importance of valuing food and other resources. Factors favorable for cultivation. We need favorable climate and fertile soil to grow crops. Good quality seeds, modern farm machinery and good irrigation facilities, fertilizers and pesticides make a good yield of crops. Alphabets. Farmers who grow crops as well as rear animals are called mixed farmers. Seeds. Farmers get seeds from the seed markets. Farmers should use good quality hybrid seeds to ensure a higher yield. Farm machinery. Nowadays, modern farm machinery like tractors, seed sowers, sprayers, harvesters, cultivators and threshers are used by commercial farmers. These help the farmers to do their work easily. Irrigation. Farmers should have a good system of irrigation to water the crop as and when required, so that they do not depend on rain for water. The artificial way of supplying water to the plants is called irrigation. Some farmers irrigate their land from tube wells. They do not have to rely on the rain. The tube wells pump water up from the underground. Then the farmers dig channels to make sure that the water reaches all parts of the fields. Some farmers irrigate their land with water from tanks, open wells, canals or water bodies like lakes and ponds. They dig channels from the canal or lake to their fields. Fertilizers. Fertilizers are substances that increase the yield of crops. Most plants need manure or animal dung. These are the best fertilizers because they are natural. Pesticides. Pesticides are chemicals sprayed on plants to protect them from pests. Government help farmers. The government provides help to farmers in the following ways. It gives agricultural loans to farmers at low rate of interest. It helps farmers to buy their own land. It ensures farmers good price for their produce. It provides high quality seeds, fertilizers and pesticides at subsidized rate. Alphabets. Artificial fertilizers are made from chemicals, example urea. Food habits. People in different parts of our country and the world eat different kinds of food. Food habits of people depend upon the region where they stay, availability of food types, beliefs, customs, religion and culture. The people of Rajasthan eat dal bati churma and bajre ki roti. The people of Punjab love to eat makke ki roti and sarson ka saag. The people of West Bengal eat rice with fish curry and rasagulla. The people of Tamil Nadu eat idli, dosa and sambar. Changing food habits. The food habits are changing because there is so much variety in food items. Children and even adults love to eat pizzas, burgers, pastas, momos, and more of other junk food items. When your grandparents were of your age, there was not much variety in food. Food habits have changed because of the following reasons. New varieties of crops have been introduced with the advancement in science and technology. We have access to different kinds of perishable food items throughout the year due to large cold storage facilities. Large variety of processed food is available in the market due to the growth in the processing industry. Packed food is easily available and is used by many people. People love to eat ready-made food. Keep food safe. It is important to maintain cleanliness to keep food safe. The utensils in which food is stored or prepared should be clean. The person handling food should always wash his or her hands with soap and water. Keep the food always covered. Cook the food properly to kill all germs. Fruits and vegetables can be eaten raw. These should be washed well before eating. Avoid eating stale food. Food storage. There are times when farmers are not able to grow enough food. Crops fail either because of lack of adequate rainfall or due to floods. At times like these, when there are more people and less food, prices hike and poor have to suffer because they cannot afford the high food prices. When there is an extreme shortage of food, it is called famine. It occurs due to destruction of crops because of natural calamities like droughts, floods, earthquakes, cyclones, and tsunamis. There are also times when food shortage is created artificially. This happens when enough food is produced but is not released in the market to keep the prices high. Traders board the food grains and make more money by selling it at a substantial higher rate. Info bits. In 1943, a severe famine struck Bengal and lakhs of people died of starvation. Summary. We have different farmers in India who have their own ways of farming. Favorable climate and fertile soil are necessary to grow crops. Good quality seeds, modern farm machinery, good irrigation facilities, fertilizers and pesticides make a good yield of crop. The food habits are changing because there is so much variety in food items. Exercise. A. Take the correct options. A. Who are subsistence farmers? Small farmers, commercial farmers, dairy farmers. Answer. Small farmers. B. Which of these is needed for a good yield of crops? Good quality seeds, fertilizers, both A and B. Answer. Both A and B. C. Which farmers grows crops as well as rear animals? Dairy farmers, mixed farmers, pisciculturists. Answer. Mixed farmers. B. Fill in the blanks. A. Dash farmers own a large plot of lands. Answer. Commercial. B. Some farmers irrigate their land from dash. Answer. Tube wells. C. Dash are substances that increase the yields of crops. Answer. Fertilizers. C. Right, true or false? A. Idli and dosa are eaten in Punjab. Answer. False. B. Commercial farmers use tractors. Answer. True. C. Farmers get seeds from the seed markets. Answer. True. D. Pesticides are chemicals sprayed on animals. Answer. True. E. Government helps farmers to buy their own land. Answer. True. D. Define the following terms. A. Famine. Answer. When there is an extreme shortage of food, it is famine. B. Irrigation. Answer. The artificial way of supplying water to plants. C. Hybrid seeds. Answer. Farmers use good quality seeds to ensure high yields. D. Fertilizers. Answer. Fertilizers are substances that increase the yield of crops. E. Answer the following questions. A. Who are small farmers? Answer. Farmers which have a small plot of land is called small farmers. B. Which factors are favorable for cultivation? Answer. The factors that are favorable for cultivation are climate and soil. C. How are the food habits changing nowadays? Answer. Food habits of the people depend on the culture, region, area and availability of the food type. D. What is food shortage? How does it occur? Answer. Food shortage occurs due to the destruction of crops because of natural disasters like drought, cyclones, earthquakes, etc. A. Interview a farmer and ask him about the problems he faces while growing crops. Make a project report. B. Find out the popular dishes of these states: Punjab, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Rajasthan.